Hello, I have a question with Unit 1, Lesson 6, and it's question number 43. And this is regarding the sailor pushing the mop. With this particular question, it's very important to get your free body diagram drawn properly. So if this represents our mop head right here, he or she is pushing down on the handle with 30 newtons of force. Now that's going to result in an FAX, so a force along the x-axis pushing the mop on the deck, but it's also going to put additional pressure, additional force downward on the mop of FAY, so it makes the mop feel heavier in terms of weight or in terms of newtons than it really is, because it also has a force due to gravity acting on it. Now, anytime you're moving the mop forward, there's going to be an oppositional force, force of friction, and then we will have also a normal force, which is going to be tied to that force of friction. So there's my free body diagram. We always start with the unbalanced force, so F net or F unbalanced is equal to mass times acceleration. From your free body diagram, you are able to determine what the next step will be. So you have your driving force, FAX, and your oppositional force, force of friction, which would mean the unbalanced becomes FAX minus force due to friction equals mass times acceleration. Your next step is to blow it out a little bit further. So FAX is going to be 30 cos, what's the angle? It's 45, cos 45, minus, now your force of friction, this has a couple of components to it because now there are two forces acting downward on the mop head. So you will have mu multiplied by F normal. I guess I'm going to add a couple extra steps in here. MA. So carrying forward extra stuff here. Normal force. So if you look at your diagram, your normal force up here has to equal the two forces heading in the other direction. So we're going to add those together because the mop's not accelerating up or down. So we have FAY plus FG. That's equal to MA. All right, so let's see if we can put some more numbers in. Goes 45. Mu is 0.1, and in brackets, FAY. So that the y component would be 30 sine 45 plus force due to gravity. We don't know the mass of the mop head, but we know gravity is 10. So we're using 10 for gravity. On the other side, we don't know the mass of the mop head, but we know it is traveling at 1 meters per second squared, which makes it a little bit simpler. So getting some calculations done here, 30 cos 45 is roughly 21.2 minus, and I'm going to put this in 0.1. You need to make sure, you need to make sure that negative is distributed. This is where people will make an error. That negative 0.1 needs to be distributed through that bracket. So it'd be 0.1 times 30 times sine 45. So to be negative 2.12 minus 1m equals m. Moving our m's to the same side, I'm going to add 1m to both sides. Collect the 21.2 and the 2.12 together. So I get 19.08 equals 2m. Divide that by 2. And we find out that the mop has a mass of 9.5 kilograms. All right. So the whole setup here, one of the important component is making sure you build out your your net force, your unbalanced force equation, and from that free body diagram, you find your driving force and your frictional force then get plugged in. Once you have that set up, you're then able to use your equations to create the rest of the solution. If you have any other questions with that, let me know, and I'll try to clarify them as best I can.